Assalamualaikum, Jasmine.
Waalaikumsalam.
Wow, how are you today? I'm fine. Say, okay. Good job, Jasmine. Jasmine, today, teacher want to teach you about color. Okay. After teacher, before. Okay. Assalamualaikum, Jasmine.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, how are you today? I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Teacher. Wow, good jobnya Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine. Before start the class, can recite a doa, pray? Boleh? Okay, kita baca doa. Kita baca doa dulu boleh? Okay. Okay. Bismillah. Okay, jom. Allahumma ta'alaina hikmatika wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin. Okay, so after they said a prayer today, today teacher teach you about color. Okay, hari ni teacher nak ajar awak tentang warna. Boleh? Okay. So first, teacher show a video color song. You hear, okay? Teacher nak tunjuk kat awak video color. Boleh? So awak kena tengok, okay? You hear and see the video. Okay? Jasmine, you see first. Okay, alright. See, and then teacher can ask you about color. Right.
Hello. Do you know your colors? Can you say them with me? Here we go. Red.
What color?
Red.
Red.
Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Yellow.
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 Good job.
Green. Green. Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Pink.
Pink.
Pink. Purple.
Purple.
Purple. Brown.
Brown.
Brown. Black. Black. White. White. And there's one more. What is it? Gray.
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 Very good.
Wow,
Let's
very
try that
good.
one more time.
One more time.
Just a
A
little
little
faster.
faster. Kena laju-laju.
Red.
Red. Good job.
Blue.
Blue.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Green.
Green.
Orange.
Orange.
Pink.
Pink.
Purple.
Purple.
Brown.
Brown.
Black.
Black.
White.
White.
And one more. Gray.
Gray. Good job.
Very good.
Okay, very good.
Now let's
High
try
five.
to say the colors backwards. Here
Now do.
we go.
What color?
Gray.
Gray.
White.
White.
Black. Black. Brown.
Brown.
Purple.
Purple.
Pink.
Pink.
Orange.
Orange.
Green.
Green.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Blue.
Blue.
And one more.
What color? Red. Good job lah, Jasmine.
Nice.
Okay.
Last time.
Last.
Let's say them all together.
Okay, all
Here we
together.
go.
Sama-sama.
Red.
Red.
Blue. Yellow.
Green. Orange. Pink.
Pink.
Purple. Brown. Black. White.
White.
And one more. Gray.
Gray.
This has been Elf Learning with Colors. Thank you very much for
Alright,
watching.
yummy. Finish. Yay! Clap your hands. Okay, now can I ask you what color do you see in the video? Apa yang awak tengok dekat video tu?
Yellow.
Yellow. Lagi. Red. Good job.
Yellow.
Yellow done. Okay. Yellow
Then.
and color apa? And dan warna kuning dengan warna kuning dengan apa? Purple. Okay. So now after you see the video, okay, the video show about the basic color. Okay, the basic color. So today, now the basic color, what do you will learn today about teacher? Okay, alright. Hari ni Jasmine, dengar, hari ni Jasmine akan belajar bahasa Inggeris tentang warna. Okey? Jasmine boleh faham? Okey. First color. First color, what you see? Blue. Jasmine? See right now. Blue.
Blue.
Okay, can you say blue?
Blue.
Okay. What color? Jasmine, what color?
Blue.
Blue. What is this?
Blue.
What is this?
Fish.
Fish. Wow, fish blue. Okay. What is color? What the color?
Blue.
Blue. Good job lah Jasmine. Okay. Second. What color? Red. Red.
Red.
Okay. Red. Can you say red?
Red.
Good job, Jasmine. Okay, what color?
Red.
Red. Okay. And then, what color? Green. Can you say green?
Green.
Green. Okay, green. What is this?
Green.
Nee, this one. What is this?
Green.
Yeah, I know green, but what the object?
Down.
Leaf. Down. Okay. Next, what is the what the color?
White.
White. White.
White.
Okay, white. What is this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, so cute. Rabbit cute or not? Cute. Okay.
Rabbit lompat.
Jump. Okay, and last one. How about
Black.
black? What?
Black.
Black. Okay, what color? Black. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, can you say teacher? What the color?
Blue.
What the color?
Black.
Is
Red.
this one?
Green.
This one?
White.
Okay. Jasmine, can you take the object and give me? Awak ambil satu objek and then awak bagi kat teacher. Okay, boleh?
Black.
Okay. Now teacher ask you. Okay? Can you wait. Jasmine, now you take and give me about color what teacher say for you. Okay? Okay, can you give me a color green? What color green? Okay, can give me. Okay, thank you Jasmine. Alright. Okay. Color black. What? Black. Wow, good job Jasmine. Thank you.
Welcome.
Alright. Color blue. Wow. Okay, good job. Second. White. White. Wow, good job. Okay. And last, what color?
Red.
Red. Good job, Jen. Jasmine. Okay. Stop. Okay, Jasmine. The last one activity. Okay. Now, Jasmine, take the cotton bud in here. Okay. Take and then you put here. Match the color. Okay. For example. Okay. What the color?
Blue.
Blue. So you put here. Okay. You put here. Understand? Understand or not? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yes. Good job. So now you take one and then you put match the color. Okay? Alright, now go. Take one and then oh no. Okay. Alright. It's okay. What the color?
Blue.
Blue. Good job, Jasmine. What color?
Blue.
Pandai. Okay. Oh. Take two. Okay. It's okay. Oh, what color?
Blue.
Blue. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. What color? Blue. Okay. Can you take or not? Okay. Teacher. Okay. You take. You take.
Blue.
Alright. Good job. Can or not? Can. Okay. Take one. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Then take. Cotton bud. Okay. Teacher help you. Okay. Teacher help you. Can play together? Can or not? Can. Okay. Teacher help you lah. Okay. Okay, what color?
Blue.
Blue. Good job, Jasmine. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, then.
Blue.
Okay. Take.
Blue.
Wow, pandai.
Blue.
Blue juga. Okay. Color.
Blue.
Okay. And last one, what color?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. Okay, you take any color. Green. Good job.
Green.
Okay, good job, Jasmine. Go. Faster, faster. Color. Wow, what color, Jasmine?
Green.
Green. Okay, take. You take any color. It's okay. Can you take two? Take two, take three. Take. Okay. Faster, Jasmine. Faster. Faster. Go, Jasmine. Go. What color, Jasmine?
Green.
Green. Next. What color?
Green.
What color?
Pink.
Pink. What color?
Red.
Red. Not pink. What is this? What color?
Red.
Red. Ya, apa dia? What color, Jasmine?
Red.
Red. Good job. This one what color?
Pink.
Oh no. What color? Same dia.
Red.
Red, not pink. Okay, take one. Take. This one. Color. Red. You see? Red. What color? Red. Good job, Jasmine. Okay. Okay, next. Green. Where green? Oh. Jatuh. What color? What color?
White.
White. So,
Green.
can you see and you put your green? Okay. Green. Okay, next. What color?
Green.
Green. Okay, good job. Oh. Faster. Wow, next. Wow. What color?
Green.
Green. Okay. Green. Good job. Next. Huh? Black. Good job. What color? Black. Oh. Jatuh. Okay. Done?
White.
Okay. And last one. What color you?
White.
White. Okay, white. What color?
White.
White. Ni Jasmine. Okay. You put. What color?
White.
White. Good job. Okay, done. Nice or not? Nice. What color?
Red.
Red. What color?
Green.
What color?
Black. White. Red.
This one.
Blue.
Blue. And last.
White.
White. Good job. High five. Oop. Oh yeah. Okay. So now can teacher nak minum air. Okay. Teacher give you drink the water. Okay. Can you open or not? Can. Okay. Okay, Jasmine. Can teacher ask you? Can or not? Can. Okay. Can you say what color?
Black.
This one?
Blue.
Blue. This one?
Green.
Green. This one?
White.
White. Okay, and last one?
Red.
Red. Good job. Okay, Jasmine. Now, the last activity. Okay? Okay, the last activity. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Now, teacher ask you lah. Okay? Teacher tanya awak dulu sebelum kita masuk ke activity last. Okay. How many color you learn today? Berapa warna hari ni awak dengar teacher ajar? Ada berapa?
8.
8. You count right now. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
5.
5. Good job. Okay, stop. The last activity worksheet. Okay, lembaran kerja. Okay, what is this? Stitch. Stitch, okay? Now,
This.
okay, now you see what color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, wait. Okay, now you take one and you put. Okay? You put what the match the color, okay? Okay, now ready? Ready or not?
Ready.
Ready. Okay, Jasmine. 1, 2, 3. Take the circle. What color?
Red.
Red. And you match the color. Wow, good job.
White.
White. Oh, very good. Oh, no. Okay, it's okay. Black. Good job. And last one. Blue. Wow. Good job, Jasmine. Green. Wow. Okay, high five, teacher. High five. Oh, okay. Good job. So, can teacher ask you what the color?
White.
White. And this one? Wait. You first. Heart. Okay, what the color?
Red.
Red. And last one, apple. What the color?
Apple.
Apple color?
Green.
Green. And last one,
Black.
black. What's this?
Potato.
Kereta dalam bahasa Inggeris. Car. Good job. Okay. So, stop guys. Okay, let me like. Okay, Jasmine. Now, the class today is a very finish. Okay. Now finish dah class. Habis dah class. Okay. So, can teacher ask you about this color? Okay. How many color you learn today? Berapa warna hari ini awak belajar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many color? What do you learn lah? 5. Good job, Jasmine. 5. Okay. Can you say what the color? Blue. And then what the color? Green. And say what the color? color? Can you give me black? Wow, good job. And last one, what the color, Jasmine?
White.
Why? So how many color you learn today? Berapa warna hari ni awak belajar? 5. Good job, Jasmine. So now teacher, can I ask you about this? Can? Okay. So now, what did we learn today? Apa yang awak belajar hari ni? Awak belajar pasal apa? Warna. Dalam bahasa Inggeris, color. Belajar apa? What did we learn today?
Color.
Color. Good job. Okay, how many color you learn today? 5. Apa? What is this? Red. The circle. Okay. What is this? What the picture? Can you see the picture? Jasmine, you see the picture? What picture? Apple. Good job. Okay. Sama? Not same. Not same. Okay. Ini sama. Oh, the circle same. But the color no. Okay? Okay, not same. Okay. Okay, step. Jasmine, did you mati. Jasmine, you enjoy learning today? Awak gembira tak belajar hari ni? Gembira ke tak?
Gembira.
Gembira. Seronok ke tak?
Seronok.
Macam mana sebut seronok?
Seronok.
Seronok. Okay, you enjoy lah. Okay, enjoy. Enjoy or not? Say, enjoy, teacher. Say. You cannot say. Okay. It's okay, alright? Okay, so thank you, Jasmine, for learn today. Okay? Thank you. So, welcome. Good job. Okay, after finish the class, can pray, reset the pray, okay? Tanda tangan. Kita nak baca doa.
Daya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Walas innal insana lafi husn illa alladhina amanu wa amilus solihati wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis Amin. So now, can you help me? Can. Okay. Teacher, can you help me clean up the activity area together? Can or not? Can. Okay. Jasmine boleh tolong teacher tak? Kita tolong kemas. Boleh? Boleh. Okay. Jasmine, good job kan? Good girl, okay? Alright. Can. Jom. So, okay.